Hey crafters, thanks for clicking on my video. So as you saw from the thumbnail, this is a tutorial on how to crochet what I call the triangle stitch, which is something that I use in one of my videos, which you may have come here from my video on how to crochet any size Santa hat. That'll be linked below. Or you may be coming here from my blog where I make a hat for a snowman, where I use the same kind of technique as I do for the any size Santa hat, but I kind of tweak it a little bit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, those links will be down below. This is a clear view of the stitch because in the Santa video it's a little tricky to see because my camera wasn't as focused. So I'm just doing a close-up so you can really get a feel for this stitch. Alright, so triangle stitch, in its essence, it is a double crochet with a single crochet in the side of it. When we start off the Santa hat, obviously we don't have any double crochets here already, so what we do is for our first triangle stitch, the double crochet part is just made of a chain 3. So chain 1, 2, and 3. So that counts as the double crochet part, and then to complete the triangle stitch, in the side of a double crochet, we do a single crochet stitch. So in this case, our double crochet is really just 3 chains. So we're going to come to that second chain there and work a single crochet in that spot. So that we would count as our first triangle stitch. Now whether you came here from the Santa Hat video or you're making the snowman, the next process is basically the same, so I'm just going to keep showing you as if we were doing one of those projects. So we need to do another triangle stitch, and we're going to work all our stitches in the very first chain that we made, and it will almost be like forming a ring. So to do a triangle stitch, when you actually work a double crochet stitch, you start with your double crochet, and I'm putting it into that very first chain stitch from the beginning. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. But we want to turn this double crochet into what I call a triangle stitch. So to do that, we need to work a single crochet in the side of our double crochet. Where do we come in? Well, right here on the side, when you pull up that last yarn over and pull through those last 2 loops, you kind of create this little bubble, this little strand of yarn. We're going to insert our hook right underneath that. You may need to loosen it up a little. Just work your hook right underneath that. That's the spot we're going to work. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull a loop through 2 to complete the single crochet. So basically we've done a double crochet and then worked a single crochet in the side of it, and that double crochet, single crochet unit I call the triangle stitch. I'll show you that one more time. Going to first work a double crochet in whatever spot you're supposed to be working for the round. So I'm treating this like the first row, so I'm just working it in that first chain space. Double crochet just like normal, and then to turn it into a triangle stitch, I'm going to find this loop right here and come underneath that. Right on the side there, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 to work that single crochet, and that double crochet with a single crochet in the side of it forms another triangle stitch. So hopefully this gives you a little bit better look if that was the part of either of those projects that was hanging you up. This is how you do the triangle stitch. Thanks for watching!